Hi everyone, welcome to Stocky Talkie. Thank you for tuning into the channel. It's the holiday season. I'm feeling like giving back. I'm getting freaky like that. So each like, I will give $1 to the World Wildlife Fund on this video. And each subscription to the channel, starting now, I will also donate $1 to the World Wildlife Fund. So please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel. Okay, diving in. This is a very bullish look today, okay? As you can see with the trend-based fib extension I've got opened up here already. And again, you start the trend-based fib extension at the bottom of the wedge and pull it to the top of this last peak, which was around November 4th. It hit its top there around 1220. So right now, you can see we're kind of trading within these three green, one dark, one medium green, and one light green. And I've gone over this before. As you can see, if you follow along here, this previous top is acting as the new bottom, right? So I firmly believe Tesla's not going to go below this, and it's proving to be true right now. And I'm thinking 1,050 is going to be a spot of hard resistance. We broke through it today, but with Tesla, you never know when some news could send this stock higher or lower. I've been in it long enough to know this stock could easily come back down to the 920s, 900 range, and just literally it could continue to wedge out. It could stop right now and wedge from here to here and trade within these green bars and eventually break out to my price prediction using the trend-based fib extension of around 1,500. Right? I think it will, by at least mid next year, hit that. Now, will it stay at 1,500? No, I don't think so. It'll get there, right? As you can see from the chart, it'll get there and then come back down probably to around here. It'll probably, 1,250 will be a nice little trading range for it for the next 6 to 8 months. And eventually, long term, it will break. And it'll go, I think it'll stay trading within these lines for a long time. I mean, by the end of the year, you could see 1,750. You could see 1,700. But that's a year. Overall, though, Tesla is still extremely bullish on it. Very excited about what's coming next year. Who knows? Maybe I'm completely wrong and it'll permanently trade above this line here. Hopefully. That would be amazing. Now, what do I see Tesla doing by the end of the year? I said if it stays within this wedge, it stays within this wedge, right? It could trade within this green. But because Elon said he's done selling shares, there is a real chance that the buying or the selling pressure is done. So it could potentially break out of this wedge and it could get to 1125. It could trade within this blue by the end of the year. But who knows? Maybe the wedge becomes this, right? Maybe 1125 acts as the new resistance for a while, trades within here, and by earnings it pops to 1,500. That could also be a possibility. So I think that 1125 is definitely possible by the end of the year. It's a tight window though because it's Christmas time. So why do you invest? Because you want financial freedom. When you're financially free, you can do whatever you want. Fortunately, investing in Tesla hasn't offered me financial freedom. What you don't want to do is sit there watching Tesla go up for 3 years and not have been invested. So remember, cash is shit and invest. So in my first year of investing, I was a nervous wreck. For example, I bought Amazon at 800 and then sold it 3 months later because I was expecting massive returns, not fully understanding the market. The key is get in whenever you can and keep putting money into the stock. And over time, if you're in the right stock, Tesla, I like Ethereum, you're going to get a solid return. I'm a big believer in finding one company that you truly, truly like, or I would say maximum 3. But me personally, I believe in Tesla and I believe it's the future. So that's where I'm putting 90% of my money. And again, I want to prove that I'm not just some schmuck who has no money invested. He's just making these videos to do whatever, okay? I have gotten 870% returns since I started this trading account called the TFSA the 30th of June, 2017. Okay, so I've had this about 3.5 years now. Very important that you know that when I say something, my money is actually going into that specific thing. Currently, I have 300,000 US in this account. This account doesn't update live time, so the beauty of this account too is it's called a TFSA. So in Canada, if you put your money in a TFSA, any of the returns you get, you don't pay any taxes on it. So this is my long-term holding account. I usually don't make any drastic moves in here. I have another cash account that I won't show you guys, but just so you know, I'm not full of shit. This is real. This is real money I have in here. Anyways, guys, remember why you invest. Be confident in it. Do not get hesitant knowing that there's going to be ups and downs. What do you want to be in? Cash? They're printing this crap like nothing we've ever seen. Yeah, sure. Be a bag holder of cash. Go for it. I'm going to be fully invested. I only have 2 to 5% of cash at any time, which a lot of people might say that's stupid. Well, hey, guess what? I've had big returns, and that's the most important thing. Do you want to be a slave to cash for the rest of your life, or do you want to have great financial returns over the long term? Anyways, guys, remember, please like and subscribe to the channel. Each like is going to be $1 towards the World Wildlife Fund, and each subscription to the channel will also be $1 towards the World Wildlife Fund.